Lesson 54. Let's speak in English with Toto. Listen, write, read, and repeat. Short story. Gloria's Sunday. Hello, her name is Gloria. She has 25 years old. Gloria works 6 days a week. She is very hardworking. But today is Sunday and it is her day off. He also does a lot of work at home. She wakes up early in the morning at 8. She makes breakfast. She cleans the home. She takes her email address. She calls and talks to his relatives and friends on the phone. It is already afternoon and it is lunchtime. Gloria is having lunch and she sleeps on the sofa for an hour in the afternoon. An hour later, she wakes up. She makes coffee and drink. Afternoon later, Gloria goes for a walk in the park. She meets her boyfriend and they eat ice cream together. They look very happy. It's already dark. Gloria goes home. She sits on the sofa and watches TV. It is too late. It is 10 o'clock in the evening. Gloria has to go to work in the morning. She goes to sleep in her bed. For now, see you soon. Next lesson.